Hey, what's going on YouTube? I got a classic shoe for you guys today, or vintage I should say. This is the Reebok Club C85 Vintage in the chalk paper white colorway, and it retails for $75, which is the price that I got them for. But let's get into it. Here in the box we got the big Union Jack on the lid, and on the side here it says the athlete's shoe. A very nice looking vintage box. Let's get her open. There it is, the vintage Club C85. It's got a nice cream white color to it. It looks really good. Let's get them both out here. For the materials, the upper is made out of a leather, which feels really soft. The outsole is a high abrasion rubber. The midsole seems to be made out of a foam that you can see here on the side of the shoe. Let's talk about some quick features. The shoe has the Reebok logo here with the Union flag again. Reebok actually only features the flag on their vintage line as a reference to their origins, as the company was founded in England. On the tongue of the shoe we have the Reebok classic logo, and the tongue is made out of a foam which is really lightweight and is perforated like up here by the toe area for breathability. On the underside of the tongue it's got a message, and it says, "From a tradition of over 100 years, these handmade athletic shoes meet the demand for quality and performance required by today's athletes." The side of the shoe, here we have the leather overlays as well as a lot of stitching detail going on here. At the back of the shoe we have the original Reebok letter logo in the green like the rest of the shoe. The rubber outsole on the side of the shoe here features this textured dotted pattern to it. And lastly, on the bottom of the shoe we have a basic crisscross pattern as well as the Reebok logo. Overall, this is just a classic Reebok shoe. You can't go wrong with it. This is a must for anyone who is a Reebok fan or who is a big fan of classic tennis shoes. So that's pretty much all you need to know about the shoe. Let's get these on feet. On feet, these were pretty comfy and they fit true to size. I had some slippage on my heel, but I just used one of the extra lace holes for a tighter fit and was good to go. I love how well these pair with jeans, and these are probably going to be my go-to casual shoe for the spring and summer, even though we might still be under isolation. Anyways, that's really going to be it for me, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video, and enjoy the rest of the On Feet.